Hello there and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this training video, I'll be talking about how to use social media in the marketing of your product. This is the third tutorial video in this training series. If you have not watched the first and second tutorial videos, I've dropped the link in the description box below this video. Now this is Sunshine Resources, and at Sunshine Resources we are committed to creating entrepreneurs. You see, ladies and gentlemen, especially those of you that are unemployed or underemployed, whether you like it or not, the only alternative to employment is entrepreneurship. After all, long before the advent of Western education, our forefathers were all entrepreneurs and they were all very productive people. Today we have a lot of very educated people but unproductive. We've come to realize that the only system that can sustain all of us at the same time is entrepreneurship. As you can see, the employment system has failed most of us because it can't sustain us. And so the only way you can change your country is to become an entrepreneur. We at Sunshine Resources are here to help you. All you need to do is just subscribe to our YouTube channel and get posted of all our videos and resources. We will speak you out of unemployment and underemployment. You see, the people of Israelite were slaves to the Egyptians for over 400 years. And do you know that God was aware of it? Until he sent Moses to go and liberate them from the bondage of the Egyptians. It is similar to what you are seeing today in employment. Maybe this video is your Moses. Now, if you had watched the second tutorial videos, by now you should be able to sign up into Facebook account without any stress. If you had done so successfully, let me say congratulations to you. You are now on your way to becoming a social media marketer. You will now operate your Facebook account with the notion of a social media marketer and advertiser. Gone are the days when people go to their Facebook account to read other people's profile, watch pictures of their latest event and just get excited over it. From now on, when you get into your Facebook account, the first thing you want to do is to see your Facebook analytics, to see how your account is growing based on the effort you are putting in. We'll talk about Facebook analytics in an entirely different video. But for now, let me let you know that social media marketing is an occupation that came with the advent of the digital technology. It is a relatively new occupation. You're going to demonstrate or think or do things in a certain way you've never done before. For example, it is going to provide you with an amazing opportunity to work from anywhere, example from your home, as long as you have your PC and internet connection. Now this is very strange, especially when you start making money. How can somebody make money by sitting down at home just pressing the keyboard of a computer? Ladies and gentlemen, this is what technology has offered to the people of this generation. The previous generation never had such opportunities. These attributes make social media marketing an occupation of the new generation. With social media, you can simply categorize people into two. It is either you're a social media marketer or you're a social media user. It is interesting to know that 90% of people are social media user. Today we'll be looking at the requirement for monetization of your Facebook account. Remember, your Facebook account is still at the infancy stage. Just like any other business, please keep up the posting and maintain the consistency of the posting. Just like a delicious meal, your Facebook fans will keep asking for more. Now, before I talk about monetization of a Facebook account, let me make it abundantly clear that this is not a get-rich-quick money-making venture. It is going to take quite some time before the money starts coming in. At this time, you must exercise patience and perseverance. The good thing about the money is that when it starts rolling in, you can even make money even when you are sleeping. This is what makes technology so amazing, especially if you automate the system and you are selling digital product. I will talk about digital product in due course. Another advantage is that you can sell your product to anybody in any part of the world as long as you have delivery mechanism. Social media is a global market. You're going to have customers from all over the world. Therefore, there is a need for you to create a product that you can sell to people from different continents. Example of such product are ebooks. So what does it take to have your Facebook account monetized? Due to the regular activities you are performing on your Facebook account, such as the posting of textual content, there is no doubt that your followership or lead will start to grow bit by bit. Congratulations on that, but you have just done one part of it. Facebook will want you to also post video content onto your page. With regular posting of textual and video content, by the time you have a followership or lead of 5,000 followers and 60,000 minutes watch time on your videos in the last 60 days, your Facebook account will hereby be qualified for monetization. It seems unachievable, but it is not. And it is important for you to know that this is just one part of your income. Monetization here means that Facebook is going to pay you a certain amount of money regularly once you reach these threshold values mentioned above. The most beautiful thing here is that even as you are waiting for monetization threshold, you can still be selling your product to your Facebook fans. From what I've said above, you will agree with me that part of the very essential thing you will learn in this course is how to create and edit videos. But this is not compulsory, but however, if you include video content on your Facebook page, it's going to expand your earning potentials. And if you are doing social media marketing full-time, then it is important you acquire the skill on how to create and edit videos so that you can unveil all the earning potential available to social media marketer. Video making skills will come up in subsequent part of this course, preferably when we are treating YouTube as a social media. But for now, it is important you prepare your mind of the task involved. In our next video, I'll talk about how to use one very important element as a social media marketer, that is passion. Until then, thank you very much for watching and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/Sunshine Resources SRT. You can also follow us on our Facebook page at Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.